Welcome to our channel. Activating a secured card at 7-Eleven is quick and gets your card ready for immediate use. Here's what to do. Step 1. Purchase your secured card at a 7-Eleven location. These prepaid or secured cards are typically available near the checkout counter or in the gift card display area. Step 2. Take the card to the cashier to complete your purchase. You'll need to load the card with the initial amount, which may serve as your security deposit depending on the card type. Step 3. The cashier will scan the card and process the activation at the register. Pay for the card and the amount you're loading onto it. Step 4. Keep your receipt as proof of purchase and activation. The receipt will show the transaction details, including the card number and amount loaded. Step 5. Sign the back of your secured card immediately for security purposes. This helps protect you if the card is lost or stolen. Step 6. Register your card online if required. Many secured cards need to be registered on the issuer's website before you can use them for online purchases or at certain merchants. Step 7. Provide personal information during registration, such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number for identity verification. Step 8. Confirm that your secured card is fully activated by checking the balance online or making a small test purchase. You can usually check your balance on the card issuer's website or by calling the number on the back of the card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.